My brothers and sisters, let's talk about aging and why we're all getting so sick. Now, I want to let you know before this conversation starts, before my talk starts, that aging and sicknesses are not normal. They're not supposed to be happening. They are not normal. This is not something that we're supposed to be experiencing. We're not supposed to be getting sick 2 times every, I don't even know how many times people get sick nowadays, 2 times every month, 2 times every 3 months. We're not supposed to be getting sick at all. And aging is a disease that we caused. What is aging? Aging is caused by us putting stuff in our bodies day in and day out, day in and day out. And over time, as we get older, it catches up to us. Now, there's many people that age but don't age. There are many people that are 80 years old, 70 years old, 90 years old that still feel amazing, that can do everything. There's Senior Olympics where they're all participating in Senior Olympics. That's because they take care of themselves. They focus on what they're putting into their body. Health is extremely important. What you put into your body is what leads to how you feel. So for example, if you're gonna be eating processed foods, chemically processed foods, garbage, if you're gonna be putting it into your body, it contains toxins, it contains chemicals. What's that gonna do to you? That's gonna wear you down. And over time, the more and more you put it in your body, the more worn down you're gonna be. So if you wanna feel good, if you wanna thrive in life, you have to figure out what you're putting in your body, what you need to be putting in your body, what's gonna make you feel good. Stop eating all the processed crap. Stop eating all the processed food. Stop eating all the genetically modified foods. Stop. Stop. Cut it out. Now, they're all made, chemically made. Scientists make it so they manipulate your brain. So you feel like, oh, so you continue to eat. It triggers parts of your brain. Sugar is more addictive or has the same addictive properties as heroin. Triggers the same part of your brain. Scientists have figured out how to manipulate your brain to make the foods do this. So obviously, if you're gonna start eating the food, you're gonna continue to eat it. You're gonna continue to eat it. It's in your mind, you crave it. They trigger things in your brain that cause you to crave the food as well. If you stop eating it, you won't crave the food. If you start eating healthy food, if you start eating a high-fat diet, if you start eating organic food, if you start eating healthy fats, you will see how amazing you feel. You'll start to feel so amazing you didn't even know it was possible. Then let's say you slip up one day and you decide to eat some junk food, all right? You decide to eat some processed food, you decide to eat some pasta one day, you'll realize how bad you feel. I've done this. I eat healthy, I eat high fat, 70% of my calories come from fat, 20 from protein, 5 from carbs, just vegetables are my carb sources. I went on vacation one weekend, I decided to pig out, indulge a little bit. I was like, oh, let me try it out. Let me just see how I'll feel. I started eating all these processed carbs. I started eating all these processed foods. I had such crazy brain fog. I could barely think. I had no energy. And that's how we normally are. That's how the normal person is. They have no energy. They have no drive. And I was just sitting there like, wow, this is why everyone acts the way they do. This is why people don't grow businesses. This is why people are settling life. This is why people are sitting around. Because of the food that you're eating, it's causing you to feel this way. I promise myself I'll never do that to myself again, never feel that way again. It is horrible. And once you decide that it's time for you to start eating healthier foods, once you decide that it's time to start changing your life, you will never want to go back to the old life. Because like I said, if you do slip up one time, you'll see how bad you really feel and you'll be like, wow, I'm sticking to this. So guys, my message to you is, there is no such thing as aging. There's no such thing. And when you are sick, if you get sick, that is the most important time for you to eat healthy foods. That is the most important time for you to put healthy food into your body. Healthy food is an organic, grass-fed meat. Stop eating genetically modified meats. They have chemicals in it. They have toxins in it. Stop eating processed food. Stop eating chips. Stop eating donuts. Stop eating cereal. Stop eating all that crap. They're all chemically processed. There are toxins and chemicals in the food that are bad for your body, that are causing inflammation in your gut, causing inflammation in your brain. And inflammation is a leading cause of many diseases. Of 70% of deaths, inflammation is related to it. So guys, stop eating all the crappy food. Start eating healthy, all right? That's my message for you right now. You know what's healthy, and you may not know what's healthy. And if you don't, if you have any questions, ask me. I thought I knew what was healthy. Let me clarify this. You do not know what's healthy, all right? Unless you read books, unless you talk to people, unless you talk to health professionals, you don't know what's healthy. Contact me. I'll let you know what you should be eating. If you have any questions, definitely let me know, and we'll get you on the right path, guys. 2016, every year to come is your year. Like I continuously say, let's do this. Focus on your health. Eat good. Feel good, live good. It's as simple as that. If you want to feel like a high performer, if you want to feel like a superhero, you got to eat like one. Aim high, guys.